Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, what do we have? These are pinto beans. These are organic, loaded with fiber and protein. This is a pasture-raised egg. You know what I feel about them. It's a piece of sourdough bread. Not the healthiest thing in this dish. Well, it's a sandwich. It's a piece of Colby Jack. Butter. Some mustard. And some pepper. That's all. Greetings, folks. I guess I'm hungry. My mouth is watering. Mike Foster here. It's another Killer Diller fried egg sandwich. This one's made with pinto beans and cheese. So it's a fried egg, cheese and bean sandwich. So watch, it's going to be Killer Diller. Okay, we're going to start with just a skosh, a dab of olive oil. That's all. I'm cooking the beans in one pan, and I'm going to get those eggs going in a second. We'll go back and forth. So you just get enough beans here. Save some for my wife. There's enough for the sandwich. It's not going to be a big sandwich. That's a little above medium. I'm going to lower that a little. So we're just going to mix this around. Going to add a little pepper. And we're just going to heat those up. Those are already cooked. Let's get that egg going. Start off with just a little butter. Just to coat the pan. All right, let's put that egg in. Nice. And a little pepper to this. You can use fresh cracked pepper. I've got both. This one is a really good brand. All right, let's see how we're going. This probably still has another, make sure it's got enough oil there. Probably another 40 seconds or so. And then I can flip it and add this cheese. Yep, that's ready for a flip. Perfect. Put it down low. Cover it with this cheese. When that toast's ready, we'll put this baby together. Let's butter this. Let's slice it in half. Let's put some mustard on it. Let's slap that around. All right, that's going to be delicious. Let's take those beans, put them on one side. Perfect. Just take that egg, put it right on top. Let's flip it, spin it. There's your close-up, big bite coming up. All right, there it is again. Looks pretty good. Beans, egg, cheese. The mustard's gonna take it to another level. Let's check it out. I taste the egg. Have another bite. The beans are in the background. Nice and mellow, as if they're not part of it. But they are! As you can see on the plate. It's really good for you in some ways. Check it out. Check out all my videos at Live Life 365 on YouTube. Subscribe and tell people. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That's all you need. Chicken feed. There's no reveal because it's a half a sandwich. Trying to figure it out. That's crazy. Peace, Baba.